I have 10 students. I gave them a self-evaluation document. And what I want to collect all the information coming from all the students. And it's a live document. So you have on the right one student doing his self-evaluation with his personal comment. And this is what I get on the teacher dashboard. I get the information live. How does it work? Let's start. Let's say that I've done a test with 3 questions, and I want all my students to do kind of a self-evaluation. I want them to give themselves, grade out of 7, to reflect, to give me a comment, and after that, I will give the final grade. So that's a template I want to send to each student of my class. On my Google Drive, I have a folder with, of course, the template students, but I have another one, another document called Drive Toolbox Template. On this document, I have the list of all my students. I put their email address. Of course, in black it's because I didn't want you to see the email addresses. And what I want is to collect on one single document all the information provided by the student. So I'm going to take here the URL of the student template. I'm going to paste it here. I will give a name to the document. It will be self-evaluation. And I'm going to use this add-on called Drive Toolbox. So it will be the first time I'm going to use it. So it might ask a couple of information. Let's see what will happen. Open sidebar. There is a script. You need authorization. So yes. This is my email address. And this is it. It's not an add-on created by Google, it's a personal add-on. So it will ask me, okay, go back to safety, but it means that I cannot open the add-on. So I'm going to open, I will go again, and I'm going to click on advanced and say, okay, go to Drive Toolbox and save, fine. And I will click allow, and now I will click again on the add-on on the sidebar, and now I have a lot of different possibilities. So what I want is to create a copy of the template for each student. So I'm going to click on create copies. It might take a couple of minutes. It's right now it's getting, of course, the template is will get the list of students and it start to create now a copy for each student. Okay, so now all the students have a copy. Now I want to send and to share this copy with the students. So I'm going to say, well, except maybe this one. No, well, I would say share document. I would say I don't want to share this document with this one, and this one. I'm going to do that. And now I'm sharing the document. I'm going to share the link. Share link. Again, we need to wait a little bit. So document have been shared. Let's see. I will check my my emails to see if I received the document. Obviously, yes. This is my document. And now I want to collect all the information on one single page. So I'm going to click on this button called Import Data for Sheets, Create Page. Okay, the page has been created. And it will ask me a couple of information here. So I have, of course, the list of students. I have the link of their document. And what I want to see is it's in which cells I have information. So for the question 1, I want to extract information on in the cell C6, D6, and E6. So I'm going back to my file and will say, okay, I say C6, D6, and E6. And that it was the question 1. For the question 2, it will be on in the cells C7, D7, E7. So E7, D7, E7. It will be the same for the question 3. It will be C8, D8, and E8. And that will be the question 3. Okay, now I need to connect all these spreadsheets to this document. So I'm going to import data. And right now it's connecting all the different spreadsheets to this document. I will need to, for each document, so that's not the difficulty, but it's not possible to automatize this part. I'm going to say, okay, allow access. For this one, allow access. It takes not a lot of time, but I need to do that. This one, allow access, allow access. Okay. Okay, imagine now that I will try to do something, let's try to do something. I'm going to split my screen, and this is for the student 10. This file, we will try to self-assess, and we will see what's going on the teacher's file. So question 1, okay, I want to have a 5. It was hard. Question 2, well, out of 7, 6. I was feeling confident, and I see that here on the teacher's file, I see the result. And of course, if I have 10 students working on their file, I can collect the information. Question 3 here. 2. It was a very difficult question. Okay. And I have information here. So it's a very cool way to collect information from students, to promote self-evaluation. Actually, you can many different possibilities with this template, but it's one way I'm using it. Of course, me, if I'm the teacher, I can say, okay, yes, I understand. Actually, no, I need to give a grade. The students gave a 2, I would say it was a 4. And I see that this is my grade. If I put here a 5, 7, I will see that appearing on this file. I think that's it for this use of Drive Toolbox add-on, and I hope it was useful.